Hey everyone, I wanted to let you guys know that this video, we heard this strange kind of boom sound outside after it was dark, and I went out there with the camera, and I can't hear it. Like, I've even increased the volume to like 5, I've increased it 500%. And the only way you can hear it is if you use some sort of headphones or earbuds or something like that. So I also tried to cut out most of talking and things like that so you guys could hear the sound of it. But when I did that, it kind of took away from just the natural part of the video, and that is the rhythm of the booms. So, and the best place is maybe just rewind it back a little bit and listen again, because it goes throughout, but there's a few times that you can hear it better than others. And it was just strange. We don't know what it was. So let me guys know if you know. Thank you. Guys, there's some kind of booming sound. We don't know what it is. Listen. What in the world? Guys, what is that noise? Stand back a little bit, okay? We still don't know what it is. God bless you guys. If you have any idea what it might be, please comment. Thanks for watching. So I hope you guys were able to hear the booms, and maybe you've heard it before, maybe you know what it is. It was unlike anything I'd ever heard before. It wasn't thunder, it wasn't fireworks, it wasn't anything that I have ever heard outside before. It just didn't match that sound. It was far off in the distance and just different. So if you guys think you might know what it is, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you guys.